no. No, it's it only hurts if you're on that side. And nobody is ever on that side of the gun, not here. We're very safe. It will a bit, it won't hurt. Alright. When you aim, close your left eye.
Ja, dat wordt alleen maar makkelijker.
And this side, okay?
Ja, nee, maar ja, je staat toch.
Your right hand. Nice. Not yet. Wait till they're done. Good. Your foot.
Good, all right. Let's go ahead and get the last target.
You did good. No. It's okay. You did good. Hold on.
Yeah. All right, just like before, go ahead and put the red dot wherever you want the bullet to go. 5 shots at a time.
Twee keer in de 9 al.
Guns loaded and ready to shoot. Pull that rifle up.
Lean forward. Put your waist.
Your right eye, find a red dot. Fire. All right, you got 4 left. Yeah. All right.
Is het leuk? Ja, het is een beetje eng hoor. Nog in het begin was het heel erg.
All right, guys.
You're getting nervous when you shoot.
Anything else? All right.
The kick can't hurt. Feel the kick. Some of the machine guns I can't talk over. When you feel the kick, the bullet is already through the paper. So when you start to get nervous, all you're doing is dipping and shooting low. That's why you hold it like this, because it helps you feel it. If you shot like this, you feel it more. And then again, if you're nervous, deep breath. It helps. Are you ready? You're doing good.
Not the bullet.
Yeah, that's good.
Anything else you want to shoot today? That's it? All right, that's it. Roll. If you want them, if you don't want them close in the garbage. If you're ready, you can follow me out.
Komt een hoop recht af voor zo'n dingetje. Dat mag je niet. You're not shooting, you're not trying. Back to 6.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Much better.